Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trina. If you are new here, then welcome. Glad you are joining me today. If you are a returning subscriber, then girl, welcome back. Today I'm just gonna show you guys a little short vlog today. I'm going to do a little bit of shopping because I am trying to take down all of my Christmas decorations. Yes, y'all, I'm late taking down my Christmas decorations. It is now, what, January 4th? Usually I try to do it right after New Year's, but as y'all know from my last video, I've been a little bit under the weather, and my voice kind of still sounds a little bit raspy, so I've been kind of sick. So I'm just now getting to taking down all of my Christmas decorations. So, and all of my stuff, like my whole living room is in disarray because I'm on the hunt to find some storage containers, y'all. I don't even have any storage containers to put my Christmas trees in. So I'm trying to go and find some Christmas tree bags or some type of Tupperware or boxes or something to put these trees in, because for some reason I threw away the boxes that the trees came in, so I don't have anything to store it in. So I'm on a hunt to find some containers for that. Then also I need some more Tupperware to store all of my Christmas decorations in. Okay, y'all, I apologize for the lighting. It's been raining over here. Today it's been raining and gloomy, so everything kind of the lighting is really bad. So I apologize to y'all because the lighting is just really bad. But as y'all can see, this is all the stuff that I have taken down already. I have taken all that stuff down, so all of this stuff needs to be put away. I have all of my garlands and stuff there that I took down, and as y'all can see, I took down my little setup that I had on my entryway table, and I just kind of got on this little tan sweater with some little black jeans I'm gonna wear today because it's, like I said, it's gloomy and wet and ugly outside. So, but she got to get stuff done today because I don't have no other time any other day to get it done. So I'm gonna get out there today and try to get some containers to take this Christmas stuff down. But I did manage to take all the stuff off of this tree, so the tree is like completely bare and naked. So I got that all taken down. So now I just need to go and find some containers. Like I found these two containers here that I got from Michael's. They were like $10 a piece. Actually, they was on sale, but I don't think it's gonna be enough. I think I'm gonna still need more containers. So this is more crap. This is all the crap that I took off of my Christmas tree and all of that. So I need to put all of that stuff away. Then I took down my little entryway set, my little sofa table setup that I had going on here. I took that stuff down. So I'm working on it, y'all. I still got to take down this garland up here. And then I got a few things. I apologize again for the lighting inside this room because it's pretty dark. But yeah, I need to take down this Christmas tree here, which I still need to take down. So I am going to be on the hunt for some containers, y'all, to take down this stuff so I can clean my house and get everything organized for the new year. But I did go ahead and take down the garland from my fireplace. Got that taken down. So, and then also, y'all, I'm on the hunt to try to find something to kind of go. It's just so dark. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to find something to go here in this little hallway here. I'm trying to find like a little vase or maybe like a little slender table or something to kind of go here or whatever. So I'm gonna try to find something to go there. So I'm gonna be shopping at a couple of stores today. I'm trying to go to Home Goods. So I'm gonna be out today doing a lot of shopping today. I need to run some errands and get some cleaning products and tissue and all that good stuff. And then also I need to, I'm gonna go to Home Goods and Kirkland's and all those fun stores and see what they got. So if I can vlog in there, I'll try to vlog in there. But if I can't, then I'll see y'all back at the house. But that's my day today. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey everybody, so I am back from shopping and it is now 6:22 and I actually found some really nice things today. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick in a little short haul before I start putting away all this Christmas stuff, show y'all what I got. So I ended up going to 3 stores. I went to, actually I went to 4 stores. I went to Kirkland's, I went to At Home, and then I went to Home Goods, and I had to get some basic stuff from Costco. Okay, so I went to Kirkland's. I didn't really see anything that I liked at Kirkland's. I told y'all in the beginning that I was trying to find something to kind of go in like that little hallway corner there that I got in there, just to put some decor there. So that's what I was on the hunt for. So I didn't find nothing in Kirkland's, but I went to Home Goods and I found some really nice things. So let me show y'all what I got from Home Goods. The first thing that I got from Home Goods was just some basic stuff. I got some dish towels because I really needed some new dish towels because all my dish towels are kind of like messed all up and kind of like worn. I hate when dish towels start to look worn and faded and everything, so I ended up getting some new dish towels. The first set I got is these pretty, they're kind of like gray dishcloths, and I thought was really cute. And these were by the brand Deborah Conley Designs, and they're kitchen towels. And these are actually really good quality. They are like super thick. So I like the dish towels to be really thick because that means they'll last long and then they won't tear up. And these were only, how much were these? These was $6.99, and then this was a pack of 2. So I got one of those. And then I got another set of dishcloths, which these are in the color, these are in the color of a darker gray and white. So I get like, let me see, I get 2 that are kind of like in the pack, and these were by the brand, this is just called Kitchen Chef is what the brand of this, and you get a set of 5, and these were like $7.99. So I thought that was a really good price. So I really like those. So, and they really good quality, and these are also thick good quality dishcloths. So that's what I got there. The next thing I got, I needed some new bathroom soap dispenser, and I needed some new kind of like a tumbler to hold the toothbrushes and stuff in for my guest bathroom. So this is the first thing that I got, and this is kind of like this is glass with a little metal kind of geometric shape around it, kind of stainless steel geometric shape around it, and I thought this was really cute. And then this was only $6.99 at Home Goods, and that was cute. And then I got the matching soap dispenser with it, and this one was $12.99, and it kind of got that same, oops, get that out of the camera, kind of got that same geometric shape around it. And this one, I like the design of the soap pump because it's kind of like a thick soap pump, and I just like the shape of it. I thought this was really cute, and it looked really nice in my bathroom. So I got those 2 from Home Goods. And then I got this little cute little floral arrangement, which is absolutely adorable. And this is some lily flowers. As you can see, look how real it looks. This is why I got this. Look, this looks so real, so realistic. It has white lilies, and then it has the green stem. Let me turn it around this way. It has white lilies at the top, and it has the green stem on it, but it looks so realistic. Like, it looks like they are real flowers. So I thought that was super cute. And this is by the brand Primrose Vintage, which is a floral collection. And these were $19.99. So I got that, and I thought that was super cute. So I got that to sit on my little table. So that's what I got there, guys. Like, if I can get this all in the frame, this is, I'm gonna try to turn it sideways so you can kind of see the base. This is the lamp that I got. It's pretty long, and I thought this was like super cute. Like, it's really nice quality. It has a crystal base, then it has a big bling crystal ball at the bottom, then it has a clear crystal base at the bottom of it, and a crystal base at the crystal base at the top. Super cute. And this was, how much was this? This was $39.99, and I thought that was a really good deal. And I really like it because I needed something to kind of go on my end table in the family room, so I got this. I'm gonna end up switching the shade out because I think I have too much gray going on in there. So I'm gonna switch the shade out for a different color shade that I got from At Home, and I'll show you that in a second. But I just thought this lamp was so cute, so glam and so girly, and I thought this would be cute in my family room, kind of break up all that gray and black that I got going on in there. So that was that. Okay, you guys, also from Home Goods, I found this really cute little side table that I thought was super cute. And this has like a mirror top. As you can see, it has a mirror top at the top here, and it has a metal base, which is kind of like a oh, not like stainless steel, but looks kind of like a nickel kind of stainless steel or nickel kind of color. And I thought that was super cute. It's kind of hard to tell in the frame, but I thought that was super cute, and it'll look really good in my family room in there next to my sectional, because I wanted something to kind of go in there that'll fit next to my little sectional in there that wouldn't take up a lot of space. So I thought this would be good, and then because I wanted something kind of a little bit more modern and elegant, so I thought this little mirror table would be perfect in there. And this was actually how much? This was $49.99 at Home Goods, and that is super cute. And I got that to go with that that lamp that I just bought. Okay, you guys, so here is the table again, and here is that lamp that I was telling you guys about. I got a better view of it so y'all can see how beautiful it is. And like I said, it's crystal, has crystal bling ball at the bottom, a crystal base. And I thought it looks really beautiful on this mirrored side table. So it's really cute. So that's what I got from Home Goods. So now let me show you guys what I bought from At Home Store. Okay, you guys, so I was telling y'all earlier that I was trying to find something to go in that little corner inside my hallway. So I didn't find a table or anything that was slim enough to kind of go in that little spot. So I ended up getting an artificial plant that's kind of like a whatever in there that I thought would look really cute. And I found a really cute decorative mirror to kind of go in that little spot there. So let me show you guys that real quick. Okay, you guys, so this is the plant that I found at Home Goods that I thought was so cute and so pretty. It has the green little moss grass leaves on it, and then it has a marble base stand with some nice little rocks in there. And I thought this would look really cute inside that hallway in there, and it'll make a nice little statement piece to sit inside that hallway. So I thought that was really cute. So I got that, and this was $79. It's kind of expensive, but not too bad. But it was $79.99 at home. So I thought that was a really good. I thought that was a really good price because the base is pretty heavy. So I think it's cute, and I like the kind of grays and the dark gray and the light gray marbled kind of textured look that I thought was really cute, and it'll kind of blend in with the rest of my decor. So I got that, and I think that looks absolutely beautiful and awesome. Okay, you guys, so also from At Home Stores, I found this really cute, beautiful decorative mirror here to kind of go inside my hallway in that little corner I was telling y'all about. And I like this one because it had like the gray and white kind of textured material around it. Not too blingy, but it was it fits my taste and style. So I thought it was really cute. So I got that, and it'll blend in really good with that marble texture little plant thing that I just bought from At Home Store too. And this one was only, it was $39.99 at Home Store. So I thought that was really cute. And this mirror is a 27 by 33 size mirror. So it'll fit perfectly inside that little corner there. So, okay, you guys. So what else? The other thing that I got from At Home, I was telling y'all that I was trying to find some Christmas tree bags to put my Christmas trees in, because I remember I said I didn't have no storage to put it in. So I found they actually had the storage, Christmas storage stuff 50% off. Last week when I went there and tried to get some Christmas storage containers, they didn't have none of that stuff on sale. They only had the Christmas decor on sale, but today they had the Christmas storage actually on sale today. So I picked up two of these. Let me hold it right. Okay, two of these Christmas tree bags, if y'all can see this, and this is a premium 9 feet rolling Christmas tree bag, and it has the wheels and everything on there. And the original price was $29.99. And okay, y'all, I forgot to show y'all one other thing that I bought from At Home Store, and it was a new lamp shade. Now, the lamp that I showed y'all for that crystal lamp, I didn't really, like I said, I thought it was like too much gray. So even though this is still gray, but it's a lighter gray, and it has like a little pattern print on the side of it. So I ended up getting another lampshade, and I'm gonna swap this one out. And this one was $17.99 at Home Store. Let me know which one y'all like better in the comments, the lighter gray or the darker gray. I kind of like the lighter gray, but we'll see how it turns out on the lamp. So that was one other thing that I got. So let me go ahead and start undecorating all my Christmas decor again, and I'll see you guys a little bit later in this video. How the Christmas tree bag opens up, and it's actually pretty big, it's pretty wide. So let's start putting my tree in there. My husband, all right. That I had on my fireplace, so I'm gonna try to put that in there on the side. And this glitter, this glitter is everywhere. From these containers from Michael. I'm gonna use this to store my Christmas ornaments in. And this one, it opens up, it has like this little tray where you can store, let me show you, where you can store your ribbon and all that stuff in there. Kind of, it comes out, you can put your tape and ribbon, all that extra stuff in there. And then it kind of just snaps on at the top, and then you put the top back on and secure it. So I thought that was pretty color coding the bulbs, just kind of like laying them in there by color. And these are all like shatterproof ornaments, so they're not like glass or nothing like that. So I'm just gonna put them in there any old kind of way because they shouldn't